I started the company in 2004, and by this year, it's almost 15 years. What we have done is that we grew from a company with just 3 person to today we have about 130 guys all together, and now we occupy 2 different sites with a total area of about 20,000 square feet. We designed and developed and market semiconductor testers. We started to realize that things that we have done in the past no longer work. We wasted a lot of time to actually doing communication. The biggest challenge that we had was that due to the long cycle of building our parts and also the dynamics of our orders from customers, it makes our planning becomes a little bit more difficult than compared to everyone else.
When we started to get the instruction from our CEO to have an ERP system, we do some market survey. Monitor come to us and they understand our needs. So this is how we select Monitor ERP. And definitely with the Monitor ERP, with a lot of manufacturing background, experiences, and we decided to choose Monitor ERP.
Not just like last time, we use very traditional methods. We use Excel spreadsheets, but that doesn't help a lot when your organization grow bigger and your projects is getting more complex.
With Monitor, it's so easy in terms of planning. Number 1, manufacturing order can be created less than 5 minutes. Okay. Number 2, I can track every single MO every day. If there's an issue on each of the MO, error surfaces immediately, and immediately we can solve the problem. Number 3, things are more predictable right now.
What sales really needs is a date, and that date must be a date that is respectable. It cannot be a date that is given and 2 days before that and we say that I'm sorry, due to this A, B or C and we're going to delay that. No. So right now what we do is that if we give sales a date, it's almost 95% and above is actually meeting that particular delivery date. This is definitely something very good.